Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest home decor tips and trends. Today we're diving into the top 7 best kitchen rugs for 2024. A great kitchen rug can add style, comfort, and functionality to your cooking space. Let's get started. Rug 1. AntiFatigue Kitchen Mats. Our first pick is the AntiFatigue Kitchen Mat. These mats are designed to provide extra cushioning and support, making them perfect for areas where you stand for long periods, like in front of the sink or stove. They help reduce strain on your feet, legs, and back, allowing you to cook comfortably. Rug 2. Water-resistant mats. Next up, water-resistant kitchen mats are a must-have for busy kitchens. These mats are made from materials that repel water and are easy to clean, making them ideal for high-traffic areas. They're perfect for placement near the sink, dishwasher, or any spot prone to spills. Rug 3. NonSlip Rugs. Non-slip rugs are essential for kitchen safety. These rugs have a non-slip backing that keeps them securely in place, preventing slips and falls. They're great for entryways or high-traffic zones in your kitchen where stability is key. Rug 4. Machine Washable Rugs. Machine washable rugs are a practical choice for any kitchen. These rugs can be easily thrown in the washing machine for a quick and thorough clean, making them perfect for frequently dirty areas. Choose from a variety of patterns and colors to match your kitchen decor. Rug 5. EcoFriendly Rugs. For environmentally conscious people, eco-friendly kitchen rugs are a fantastic option. These rugs are made from sustainable materials like jute, bamboo, or recycled fibers. They're not only stylish, but also help reduce your carbon footprint. Rug 6. Memory Foam Mats. Memory foam mats offer superior comfort and support. These mats are perfect for areas where you spend a lot of time standing, such as the kitchen island or the sink. The memory foam contours to your feet, providing cushioning and reducing fatigue. Rug 7. Decorative Rugs. Finally, decorative rugs can add a pop of color and personality to your kitchen. These rugs come in a variety of designs, from modern geometric patterns to classic floral motifs. They're perfect for adding a touch of style and making your kitchen feel more inviting. And there you have it, the top 7 best kitchen rugs for 2024. Whether you need an anti-fatigue mat, a water-resistant option, or a decorative piece to brighten up your space, there's something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends for more home decor inspiration and tips.